Welcome to Motorhome. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome, a blend of power, luxury, and innovation designed for the ultimate road trip experience. Cut to a close-up of the Motorhome's front grille, showcasing the Chevrolet emblem. Narrator: at first glance, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome commands attention with its bold design and iconic Chevrolet styling. But it's what's under the hood that truly sets it apart. Transition to engine visuals, highlighting the 6.6L V8 engine. Narrator: equipped with a 6.6L V8 gasoline engine, this motorhome delivers an impressive 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more power, there's an optional 6.6L Duramax diesel variant, boasting 445 horsepower and a staggering 910 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. Cut to the motorhome driving uphill effortlessly. Narrator: whether you're navigating steep mountain passes or cruising on open highways, the Chevrolet Motorhome's performance ensures you reach your destination with confidence. Interior shot: the spacious living area with modern furnishings. Narrator: step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The living area features a comfortable dinette and sofa, perfect for relaxation and dining. Close-up of the kitchen area. Narrator: the fully equipped kitchen includes a stove, microwave, and refrigerator, allowing you to prepare meals just like at home. Pan to the bedroom with a queen-size bed. Narrator: at the rear, the master bedroom offers a queen-size bed with ample storage, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of adventure. Show the bathroom with modern fixtures. Narrator: the full bathroom comes complete with a shower and toilet, providing all the comforts of home on the road. Cut to the touchscreen infotainment system. Narrator: technology enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced infotainment system. A spot monitoring, and Chevrolet's StabiliTrak system, ensuring peace of mind on every trip. Exterior shot: the motorhome parked at a campsite with the awning extended. Narrator: outdoor living is enhanced with features like the electric awning with integrated LED lights, providing the perfect setting for evening relaxation. Show optional solar